Hi friends, welcome to my channel Maths Club. I am Professor Dipanjan Kumar De. Today I am delivering another important lecture on Jacobian. Jacobian is very important. This is the fourth lecture on Jacobian. Jacobian or Jacobian transform. Today I will discuss mainly properties of Jacobians. Properties of Jacobian. This is very important for engineering mathematics, engineering students, BCA students, BTech students, MCA and others competitive exam throughout India like NET exam, GATE exam. In my previous video, that is part 3, in part 3 I discussed one property, that is properties of Jacobian, first property. Now today I will discuss property 2. Property 2. And according to that property which I will discuss now, I will do a sum using that property. I think you will understand very nicely. I am 110% sure you guys enjoyed this video. So keep watching, sharing and commenting this video with your friends, with your neighbor. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. So let's start. What is the property of Jacobians? This is mainly differential calculus of partial derivative chapter. Jacobian 3 part 1, part 2, part 3 already I discussed. Now this is the fourth part of Jacobian. So property 2. If u and v are function of r and s, if u and v are the function of r comma s, where r comma s are the function of, or the functions, u and v are the, if u and v are the function of, this is functions of, sorry I am writing here, if I am telling here, if u and v are the functions of r comma s. Okay, once again, if u and v are the functions of r comma s, where rs are the functions of x and y, then, or x comma y, then del u v, this is v, del u v, this is u, this is v, del u v by del xy is equal to del u v by del rs into del rs by del xy. So this is the property, that second property of Jacobian. What is the second property? If u and v are the function of r and s, where r and s is another function of x and y, then del u v by del xy, that is Jacobian of, this is known as Jacobian, is equal to del u v by del rs into del rs by del xy. So this is the property. We have to use this property, sums I will do. Okay. That sum is very important for the exam, for the BTech exam, for the BSc Mathematics, for MSc Mathematics and NET and GATE exam. This sum I have taken a question paper sum, a university question paper sum, very important sum. Just I am writing here. The sum is, if U equal to, if example, if U equal to 2xy, comma, b equal to x square minus y square, b equal to x square minus y square, comma, x equal to r cos theta, x equal to r cos theta, x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta, y equal to r sin theta. Evaluate del uv by del r theta. Evaluate del uv by del r theta. Okay, you see here uv are the functions of rs, but here uv are the function of x and y. You see, u is a function of xy, v is a function. So we can say uv are the function of xy and x and y are the function of r theta. So here you have to, rs is the function of xy, we have to find del uv by del xy. So here you have to find del uv by del r theta. Be careful. So according to this property, I am solving just this del uv by del r theta is equal to del uv by del xy, del uv, sorry this is v, del uv by del xy into del xy by del r theta, So this, applying this property, be careful, this property, okay. So this equal to this. Now according to definition of Jacobian, just I have done in my first video, that is in part 1, Jacobian part 1. So according to definition of del uv by del xy, this can be written as del u by del x, del u by del x, del u by del y, del v by del x, del v by del x into del v by del y. This part is this, del uv by del y can be written as this. This I am writing according to definition of Jacobian into this again. This can be written as del x by del r, del x by del r, del x by del theta, del y by del r into del y by del theta. This is from definition of Jacobian. In some books here you will see this can be written as del u by del x, del u by del y, writing here, and del v by del y and del v by del x, del v by del y in the second. That means what I am telling, in some books they have written this in the first column and this in the second column. So both the things you can write, both ways, that means this way and that way gives the same result. It doesn't matter, okay. So I am now from this given information I have to find this, all these things, then put this value over here, then you will get the answer. Okay. So I'm just finding del u by del x. Just I am removing this part. I am removing this part from the given information. What I am doing from the given information, I am doing here u equal to, now since u equal to 2xy, u equal to 2xy. Now what is del u del x? Del u del x. Del u del x. Del u del x with respect to x when y constant, that is del u del x twice y. Del u del x. Okay. Now del u del y. Del u del y. Del u del y, that is twice x. Del u del x means with respect to x when y constant. Del u del y means this is u. Be careful. This is u. U equal to this. Del u del y with respect to y when x is constant. Okay. Now v equal to, what is v? V equal to x square minus y square. Similarly, del v del x, that is with respect to x when y constant, so twice x, this will be 0. Similarly, del v del y, that is minus with respect to y when x constant, that is minus 2y. Minus 2y. Okay? Okay. Now uv, now x equal to r cos theta. So del x del r, del x del r with respect to r when theta is constant, that is with respect to r when theta is constant. So this will be cos theta. Okay, this will be cos theta. So y equal to del x del r. Now del theta with respect to theta when x is constant. So that is x is constant, that is r. Oh sorry, that is r cos theta differentiation, that is minus sin theta. Minus sin theta. Now minus sin theta. Now y equal to what? Y equal to r sin theta. So del y del r with respect to r when theta is constant, that is sin theta, and del y del theta is equal to r cos theta. Okay, just I am putting all these value over here. Then you are getting this is 2y 2x, then 2x, then minus 2y, then cos theta, then sin theta, minus r sin theta, r cos theta. That is equal to minus 4y square, minus 4x square, this into this, minus this into this. Then this will be r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. Okay, this into this minus this into this. Okay, so this becomes 4 minus 4 I am taking common, x square plus y square into this will be r square, because if we take r square common, then sin square theta plus cos square theta. X square plus y square is equal to r square. You see, x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta, squaring and adding, so x square plus y square equal to r square. So now 4 minus 4 r square, 4r square into here is actually r, not here is r. So I am taking r common, so here is r, because r cos square theta plus r sin square theta. So it will be r. So answer is minus 4 r cube, minus 4 r cube. So what is the value of del UV by del r theta? That is equal to minus 4 r cube, minus 4 r cube. I think you understand very nicely. So keep watching, sharing and commenting this video with your friends, with your neighbor. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. If you have any clarification or any question about Jacobian, you can contact with me. This is my WhatsApp number. You can contact with me. You can make question. So your comment is very essential. Make a comment. Make a comment on this number, or you can make comment in my comment box. Thank you very much once again.